Hey guys, you're looking at a very nice, clean and reliable new arrival here at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Super nice, low mileage 2009 Toyota Sienna XLE with just 103,000 miles. Beautiful looking minivan in a great shape. Super nice and clean looking body. Beautiful color combination, pearl white exterior over beige gloss interior. Very well kept and maintained, front row ready. It's been detailed and inspected. Alloy wheels, tinted windows, roof rack, beautiful tires, fresh oil, well kept, well maintained. Let's take a peek inside. It is very nice and clean inside. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, beautiful factory wood trim, cruise control, traction control, gloss interior in a great shape, very nice and clean. $103,000 miles. No warning lights on the dash. Beautiful, nice and clean dashboard. No issues, no problems. AM, FM, CD. Automatic climate control. Automatic transmission. It's got extra keys, your manuals in the glove box, non-smoking, no odors inside, clean headliner, power sliding doors, as you see, working perfectly fine from both sides, captain chairs in the middle, and of course you got your third row seating, nice and clean. As I said, non-smoking, no odors inside, your floor mats in the trunk. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful Toyota Sienna 2009 with just 103,000 miles, please feel free to give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Look at this beautiful pearl white color in a great shape. This vehicle is rust-free, alloy wheels, beautiful tires, Toyo in a great shape, V6 under the hood. Let me just open this so we can take a peek under the hood. Super nice and clean under the hood, well kept and maintained, in a great shape, front row ready. Super nice and clean 2009 Toyota Sienna XLE with just 103,000 miles, front row ready, detailed, inspected. So please call us with any questions, guys. 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Please stop by and visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.